Lola, show Mommy how you use the push-push. Come on. Come here. You're doing it wrong. But sure. Where did you go? You quit already? Try again. Oh. Where are you going? Good stands. Good stands. Now show everyone how you walk. Show everybody how you walk. Good girl. What does she see? Ooh, she's found a toy. What have you got there, Lola? Is that a whale? Is that your toy for the pool? Lola. Hi. You want to wave hello to the camera? Hi. Lola. Lola, wave hi. Hi, Lola. Hi. Hi, Lola. Hi. Wave hi. Hi. Good girl. Hi. Okay. Let's do high five. High five. High five, Lola. High five. Hey, you're spaced out. High five. High five. Nope. Okay, we'll show them high five later.